Welcome to this explainer. Let's just dive right in, shall we? Because look, if you're running a small business today, you already know the AI noise out there is absolutely deafening. I mean, there are hundreds of tools, thousands of opinions, and honestly, it can feel like a full-time job just trying to keep up. But today, we're cutting through all that chaos. We're going to build your small business AI survival guide, and we're focusing exclusively on the tools that actually save you time and money.
I mean, be honest with me, are you feeling the fatigue yet? Seeing dozens of new AI tools hit the market literally every single week is just exhausting. It's so incredibly easy to get overwhelmed, or worse, to spend your hard-earned money on subscriptions you don't actually need. But the stakes are high, and ignoring AI altogether, well, that really isn't an option anymore.
And that perfectly brings us to our guiding quote for today. The challenge isn't access, it's knowing which tool to use when. You see, artificial intelligence is no longer locked away for large corporations with massive IT budgets. You have access to the exact same powerful AI models that Fortune 500 companies use, often for just a few dollars a month, or sometimes even for free.
So, here is how we're going to break it all down today. First, cutting through the AI noise. Second, identifying your everyday AI workhorses. Third, handling those complex and creative tasks. Fourth, winning with visual content. Fifth, uncovering Google's hidden AI gem. And finally, building your AI starter stack.
All right, Section 1, cutting through AI noise, focusing on what matters. The absolutely crucial point here is that you don't need to understand how these models work under the hood. You're a business owner, not a software engineer, right? You just need to know which tool solves your problem today at a price you can actually afford.
Moving to Section 2, your everyday AI workhorses, the daily managers. Think of these tools as the reliable team members that are going to handle the heavy lifting for the bulk of your daily operations.
Consider this your ultimate cheat sheet. Seriously, you might want to screenshot this. For general or tech tasks, Claude and ChatGPT 4o are your heavy hitters. Need it quick and cheap? Call on the mini models. For research, it's Perplexity, Sonar. And for complex problem solving, DeepSeek R1 steps up to the plate. We're going to unpack exactly why this mapping works so well.
Let's look at your two main options for general business tasks. On one side, we have Claude. Think of Claude as your meticulous copywriter. It's exceptional at long-form writing, holding a really nuanced tone and following super complex instructions. It's ideal for when quality and precision matter most. On the other side is ChatGPT 4o, and this is your versatile jack of all trades. It's incredibly fast, and it works seamlessly within an ecosystem that, let's be real, a lot of you probably already use. Both are fantastic, but they definitely have distinct personalities.
But here's the secret. Not every task deserves a premium model. Enter the interns. These are the mini models, like ChatGPT 4o Mini and o3 Mini. Use these guys for quick factual questions, short email drafts, basic summaries, and simple data extraction. They deliver lightning-fast results for routine jobs at a fraction of a cent per request. I mean, it is literally cheaper than the electricity it takes to boil a kettle. Making mini models your default for high-volume, low-complexity tasks is just a brilliant way to protect your budget.
Now, what if you need current market research? Most AI models have a knowledge cutoff, which is a huge limitation if you need to check up on a competitor's recent moves or current pricing trends. That's exactly where Perplexity's Sonar comes in. It overcomes that cutoff wall by providing real-time web search with AI synthesis. This means every single answer comes with actual citations and links to verifiable sources. It's a game changer for research.
Which brings us to Section 3, handling complex and creative tasks, the specialist consultants. When you need deeper problem solving, strategic planning, or high-end marketing copy, you need your AI to step up and act like a specialist consultant.
For advanced problem solving, like multi-step financial analysis or risk assessment, we compare DeepSeek R1 and Claude. DeepSeek R1 is famous for its chain of thought reasoning. It actually thinks through problems step by step and is extremely cost-effective compared to similar Western models. Claude, meanwhile, brings a totally different strength. It combines that deep analytical reasoning with excellent professional writing, making its output incredibly easy to read and act on immediately.
Now, we also need to talk about what not to use. I highly recommend avoiding Llama 4, Grok, Kimi, and Mistral Large for your daily small business operations. While these might show some promise in academic research settings or on technical benchmarks, they simply lack the track record, the user documentation, and the real-world proof points for everyday small business use.
Please don't waste your precious time on a learning curve that isn't going to yield immediate results.
Oh, and a massive warning here. ChatGPT-5 does not exist yet. There are third-party services and browser extensions floating around claiming to offer access to it. Listen, these are totally misleading marketing tactics, and honestly, often they're outright scams. Always stick to the official websites like OpenAI or Anthropic to protect your vital business data.
Moving right along to Section 4, winning with visual content, high ROI graphics. Because let's face it, visual content is no longer just optional, but hiring a photographer or a graphic designer for every single daily social media post, that simply isn't scalable for a small business.
But look at how affordable high-quality visuals have become. OpenAI offers different tiers for image generation. GPT Image 2 gives you exceptional detail and professional polish for a maximum of just 20 cents per image. Think about that. It's less than parking meter change. Then you have GPT Image 1.5 for a faster, practical middle ground, and GPT Image 1 as your basic budget option for internal mockups. You can literally get professional-grade polish for pennies. And then there's this magic number. $12 to $20. That is the monthly cost of Canva Pro. Canva, especially with its newly built-in AI features, is the unambiguous winner for small business design right now. It requires absolutely zero design experience. At this price point, Canva is arguably the highest ROI tool we're discussing in this entire explainer. Just think about it. A single well-designed flyer or social campaign that wins you just one new customer more than pays for the entire year's subscription.
Let's move over to Section 5, Google's hidden AI gem, NotebookLM. This is a tool that really flies under the radar for a lot of people, but it acts as an incredible force multiplier.
NotebookLM is radically different from the general-purpose chatbots we've been talking about so far. It's purpose-built by Google to do one specific thing. Take your existing documents, like a giant PDF, a Google Doc, or even a website URL, and transform them into entirely new, useful formats. And honestly, the best part? It's largely free for most small business needs.
Just imagine what you can generate from documents you've already written. You can instantly create structured study guides, visual timelines, and Q&A documents. But the most mind-blowing feature, by far, is the podcast-style audio. You can upload a dense, super boring operations manual, and NotebookLM will automatically generate a conversational two-host audio explanation that your team can just listen to on their morning commute. It completely changes how you handle staff training and customer education. It is so cool.
And finally, Section 6, your AI starter stack. 3 steps to implementation. Look, the biggest mistake you can make right now is trying to implement every single tool we just talked about all at once. You need a concrete, focused plan. So here's your exact 3-step roadmap. Step 1, get Canva Pro for about $13 a month to handle, I'd say, 80% of your visual needs. Step 2, use GPT Image 2 on a pay-per-image basis for when you need that custom, unique visual that a template just can't provide. And Step 3, add NotebookLM to repurpose your existing content completely for free. You can deploy this entire incredibly powerful visual and content stack today for under $35 a month. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into all this, the source material for this explainer offers a free resources page packed with prompt packs and tool comparison sheets. There's also an exclusive invitation-only AI breakfast lab for business owners who want live Q&A, real-world case studies, and hands-on guidance from a community of peers doing the exact same thing.
And that leaves us with one final thought. The AI revolution isn't coming for small businesses someday in the distant future. It is already here, right now, ready to be used. The tools are affordable, they are highly accessible, and they're just waiting for your instructions. The only thing standing between you and a much more efficient, highly competitive business is simply taking that first step. So what will you build today?